Good morning, students, and welcome back to Ma Education Center. Students, before starting today's class, I would like to say you that few of you, after watching my first video through WhatsApp message, you requested for Hindi explanation. Students, here is a message to you all that understanding English with help of English explanation will develop your English speaking skills in a fast process. And if you understand English with help of Hindi explanation, then it will be little difficult for you to speak in English. So please concentrate on my video and you can do it. Okay, let's start today's class. Today we are going to study classification of sentence. Classification of sentence. Why is it important for us to know this topic? Answer is, students, as usually in our daily life when we read newspaper or story books or subject books, then we come across different type of sentence, and without having knowledge of this, it becomes difficult for us to understand the event or topic. So listen attentively in class. Classification of sentences. Sentences were classified in two groups. Functional based sentences and second one is structural based sentences. There are two types of sentences. One is functional based sentences, other is structural based sentences. Functional based sentences represents it represents function in the form of information, question on information, request or command. So functional based sentences, what does it represent? It represents different function of each and every sentence, either in the form of information, question on information, and request or command. One more thing, and express certain feeling. Okay, so different types of sentence represent different function. Structural based sentence, it represents different structure. Structural based sentences represent different structure. So again further classification was done, and functional based sentences were divided into four other groups, and structural based sentences was also divided into four other groups. Let's study one by one. Functional based sentences was divided into first assertive sentence, second interrogative, sentence, third imperative sentence, and fourth exclamatory sentence. In today's class, we are going through all these sentences, discussion on all these types of sentence, and in upcoming videos, I will talk about structural based sentences. Okay? Assertive sentence. For better understanding, let me write first few examples. See student, example 1. Vikram lander landed successfully on lunar surface. What function? Here sentence show. Sentence is giving us some information about Vikram lander. So it is information giving sentence, and it comes under assertive sentence. In assertive sentence always do what? Gives information. Okay? Assertive function of assertive sentence is just to give information. Next example. Did not Vikram Vikram land successfully on the moon surface. Did not Vikram land successfully on the lunar surface? Here, this sentence represents asking question on information. So, it is interrogative sentence. Ask question on information. All those sentences that perform same function of asking question comes under interrogative sentence. All those sentences that perform information giving function, that comes under adjective sentence. Okay. In short form, we can write it as also didn't. Instead of did not, we will write didn't. Didn't Vikram lander land successfully on the lunar surface. This is only short form of question. Next, please give me a newspaper. This sentence expresses what? Request. Do this work properly. This sentence represent order or command. So this both will come under imperative sentence. Request or command. Understand? Next I will write what a great mission it is. This sentence represents our sudden feeling. We are expressing our excitement that what a great mission it is. So it comes under exclamatory sentence. This is exclamatory sentence. Represent sudden feeling. So, okay, topic is I hope topic is clear to you all. In next class, we will discuss on some rules how to change adjective into interrogative and interrogative into adjective form. Okay, And also, if we will get time, we will start structural based sentences classification. Thank you, students. Meet you in next class.